In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite people on Slack. If you're setting up a workspace or bringing new collaborators into an existing one, the invite flow is quick and straightforward. We'll do this in a web browser, and the same general steps apply if you prefer the desktop app. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Slack and press Enter. In the results, choose the official Slack website. If you're not already signed in, select your workspace and log in so you land in Slack. Once Slack is open, look to the left side panel. There you should see an option labeled Invite People. Click it to open the invite window. Depending on your role and your plan, this option may appear under your workspace name or in the main sidebar, but it's the same place you'll use to send invitations. In the invite form, enter the email address of the person you'd like to bring into the workspace. You can paste more than one address if you're inviting several people at once. Take a moment to confirm spelling and domains to avoid bounced emails. Next, choose whether to invite them as a full member or as a guest. Members typically have access to all public channels and can be added to private ones as needed. Guests are more limited, which is helpful for contractors or clients who only need access to specific conversations. On some plans, you can choose between single-channel and multi-channel guest access and set time limits. Pick what fits their role and your security needs. Before sending, you can optionally add the invitee to team channels right away. This is handy for onboarding since it drops them into the conversations they'll need from day one. Add only the channels relevant to their work. You can always adjust later. When everything looks good, click Send. Slack will email the invitation, and the recipient can accept to join your workspace. If they don't see it after a few minutes, remind them to check spam or filtered folders. You can revisit the invite section to view pending invitations or resend if necessary. That's it. You've just invited people to Slack. Search for Slack, open the site, use Invite People, enter emails, pick member or guest, choose channels if you want, and send. Follow these steps anytime you need to grow your workspace with the right people.